Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to bake the ultimate chocolate cake. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification for further upcoming videos. Let's get started. The ingredients are 4 eggs, 250 grams of self-rising flour cake mix. Cake mix is nothing but 200 grams of all-purpose flour maida, 50 grams of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 100 grams of melted butter, 60 grams of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 200 grams of sugar, pinch of salt and thick buttermilk. See, 200 ml of thick buttermilk. You can also use sour cream instead of this buttermilk. And 500 grams of cooking chocolate. Need 30 ml of heavy cream. 1 cup of buttercream icing. You can find this recipe in my previous videos. I will give this recipe link in the description below. And a hand mixer and a bowl cake tray. Let's get started. Crack the 4 eggs into this bowl. Add the sugar and beat this until the sugar completely dissolves. After 1 minute of whisking, the sugar dissolved completely. This is how it looks. Now add pinch of salt, melted butter and the buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whisk one more time for 30 seconds. Now take a sieve, add the cake mix and the cocoa powder and sift. Now mix once like this. Beat on low speed for 30 seconds. Scrape down all the batter. Mix nicely from the bottom also. Take the cake tray, apply butter, and sprinkle little bit of flour. Spread the flour all over the cake pan and take out the excess flour. Now I am going to pour this batter into 3 cake trays like this. Divide the equal amount of batter into 3 cake trays like that. I preheated my oven. Now I am going to bake this cake at 180 degrees centigrade for 25 minutes. So guys, I break the chocolate into pieces. I boiled water for double boiling. Put the flame on medium. Add 30 ml of heavy cream. If you don't have this heavy cream, you can also use full cream milk. Hold the bowl tightly and keep mixing until the chocolate melts. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. Add 50 grams of butter at this point and mix well. See guys, it's done ready. Now off the flame and keep aside. See guys, our chocolate. How glassy it is, silky and glassy, liquidy it is. See. Keep aside. Take this buttercream icing, beat it on low speed until it becomes fluffy. Take 50 grams of this melted chocolate. Add to this buttercream icing. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Whisk for 1 more minute. Scrape down the sides. Whisk 1 more time. See, our chocolate buttercream icing is ready. See guys, I baked 3 cakes. Today I am making 3-layer cake. See, take a tray like this and place this kind of tray. I am using the oven tray. Put 1 layer of cake on this tray. Take the chocolate buttercream and apply 1 layer on this cake. Level up with a spatula. Now place this second layer of the cake. Apply chocolate buttercream on this layer. Now put the third layer of the cake on the top like this. See guys, our melted chocolate. Now pour this onto this cake. See guys, how shiny and glassy is our cake looking. We use this tray so that the chocolate will not fall down. Now keep this cake in the fridge for 20 minutes to set. Carefully transfer this cake onto this cake plate. See, like this. See guys, I already filled the piping bag with the chocolate buttercream icing with a star nozzle. Carefully design our cake. I using pels so that our cake looks more attractive. See guys, how our cake is looking. Now I will cut it and show you. The ultimate chocolate cake. It's really chocolatey and it's very soft. See how it coming. See the piece, how it looking. Hope you guys like this cake. If you are first time watching my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.